Okay, na? Yeah. Good morning, children. Namaste. Already we completed 19 plus 3. That is 22 parts we completed in the vectors. Okay, na? Yesterday, that is 22nd part, the exercise 10.4. That means the total exercise that the chapter is completed. Even though we recall some problems in the miscellaneous examples. Okay, na? In the miscellaneous examples, these three problems are important, and in the previous papers, those questions are asked. Okay, na? Yeah. Now we go to solve it. Observe. The very first question, the miscellaneous example, it is, I think, 26th. I think 26. This is 26. It is 27 and it is 28 actually. Yeah. Write all the unit vectors in xy plane. It's a very clumsy question. If you see this question in the exam paper, in the annual exam paper, if this question is asked, already asked, if this question, if you see, how can you find the unit vector? We know that the I cap is unit vector in x-axis, on x-axis. J cap is unit vector on the y-axis. Z cap is unit vector on K cap is unit vector on the Z axis. Only we know that one. Suppose a vector A bar is given. A bar is given. A bar means from A to B. From point A to initial point from A to B. B is a terminal point. On that vector we can find A cap. A cap is A bar by modulus of A bar. The total vector is divided by its magnitude. Then we can get the unit vector. In the very beginning I told you, we discussed unit vector separately, it will not be there. It is along a given vector. X bar is a given vector. Then x cap, that is equal to x bar by modulus of x bar. Then we can get the unit vector. Like that, if you think about it, that question gives a clumsy. How can you find it? There is no given vector. But ask in the xy plane, you find all the unit vectors. Fantastic question. Okay, now? Yeah. I want to explain this second. Observe here. It is 26th question. In the xy plane, you observe the board. It is x-axis minus x-axis. It is y-axis. It is minus y-axis. Suppose a circle is like that. We take a circle whose center is horizon, and equally there are four parts, four quadrants. The radius is 1 unit to assume. It is 1 unit radius. Suppose P is a point on the circle. OP bar, let it be R bar. You see, we construct a circle with the radius 1 unit length. R is 1 unit length. OP is equal to R. OP bar is equal to modulus of R bar is equal to 1 unit length. Like that I am taking. Okay, because of we have to find the unit vector. Unit length must be there. Okay, na? So OP bar is a vector, position vector, of the point P. P is here it is in the first quadrant, maybe in the second, third, fourth. Later we will discuss. First, for instance, to understand it well, I take the point P in the first quadrant. OP bar is the position vector of the point P, but here it is mentioned as a R bar with a single letter. P bar is nothing but R bar. The modulus of R bar is how much? 1 unit length. What I am taking 1 unit length. 1 unit only. Right? Okay. Now, how can we find OP bar? Its length is 1 unit. Yes, we are taking, we are assuming like that. But we need OP bar. What is OP bar in the components? It is a fantastic concept. Right? Here, I want to draw a perpendicular OM. OM is a angle. PM is a perpendicular on the x-axis. Let this is a theta angle. That means let angle POM is equal to theta. Okay, now PM is not given. We are drawing a perpendicular. In the triangle OPM, the triangle OPM, what about cos theta? Cos theta. Adjacent side OM by hypotenuse OP na, that is OM by, what is OP? OP is the modulus of R bar. That is OM by 1, that is equal to OM. Okay na? Therefore, OM is equal to cos theta. What is OM? What is OM? Suppose let it be x and it be y. By coordinates in the geometry, it is x comma y na? X coordinate, y coordinate. Okay na? Yeah. So here it is x, OM is x, it is cos theta. Okay, na? It is one result. Similarly, what about sin theta? Sin theta, the same triangle, sin theta. Sin theta is the opposite side. It is PM by OP. Here also, PM is y. But OM is modulus of R bar, it is nothing but 1, so y. Therefore, PM is nothing but y, that is nothing but sin theta. Okay na? So sin theta is x coordinate is sin theta. Yeah. So we may write it as cos theta, comma sin theta. Okay na? Now you see, then what is OP bar? OP bar, it is along x-axis, I cap is a unit vector in the x-axis. It is j cap in the y-axis. Okay, na? It is only in the two-dimensional geometry. OP bar is cos theta, I cap, sin theta. Then, okay na? Cos theta I cap plus sin theta I cap. It is components. I coefficient, J coefficient. It is suppose P is a point 5, 6, 7. Then what is OP bar? 5i plus 6j plus 7k. Okay na? Components, coordinates are same. Coordinates of a point in the geometry. Those coordinates will be considered as vectors components. Already we discussed so many times. But here z-axis and k is deleted. It is not taken. Only in the two dimension. So OP bar. Here you see what is OP bar? That is length. You see, this cos square theta plus sin square theta with root. Is it okay now? So root 1, it is 1. So it is unit vector. Unit vector, what is unit vector? Okay na? Where it lies? Where it lies in the Q1. That is first quadrant. Okay na? That is that. Write all unit vectors in experiment. So this is the first unit vector. What we want is cos theta, I cap, sin theta, j cap. Suppose OP is here, then it is minus cos theta, sin theta. Will agree? Agree now? Why? Because it is Q2, it is Q1, and it is Q3, it is Q4. So OP bar is equal to minus cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. Here also modulus of OP bar is root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. It gives 1 volt. It is also a unit vector, but it is a different. Is also okay na unit vector in cube. Okay na? Yeah. It is what we call here. Now it is in the third quadrant. Minus cos theta, minus sin. Okay na? So what we want? Minus cos theta I cap minus sin theta j cap is also your unit vector in the truth. What we want? Cos theta I cap but minus sin theta j cap is also unit vector in the Q form. Okay? It's for your sake I am taking all these things. Here very simple. The required unit vectors, very simply, the required unit vectors up to this one is enough. We are asked all the unit vectors, but I am taking out the first, second, third, fourth quadrants only. It is also extra. For your sake I am giving. Here you start here only. There are only one unit vector. Is there one unit vector or set of unit vectors? Set of unit vectors, which is set of unit vectors. How can you say set of unit vectors? For theta belongs to one rotation then. Theta 30 degrees, 0 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, like that. It is 0 comma 2 pi. Okay na? So, the set of so many different types of, because cos 0 I cap plus sin 0 j cap. Cos 0 I cap plus sin 0 j cap. Cos 0 1 I 0 j, that is I. OP bar is I, that is our x-axis. Suppose cos 90 I cap plus sin 90 j cap, that is 0 plus 1 j. So OP bar is j, it is on the y-axis. Cos 180 I cap plus sin 180 j cap, sin 180 is 0. Cos 180 is minus I, so it is on the minus axis. Like that, not only 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. The remaining 30 degrees, 120 degrees, 135 degrees, you take anywhere. So it is not a single. It is a set of unit vectors. For theta belongs to 0 comma 2 pi. Okay na? That is the. Okay na? Is it clear? Yeah. We'll go to next. What is the next problem? If some vectors are given, component vectors, I plus j plus k, 2i plus 5j, k is not there, 3i plus 2j minus 3k, and I minus 6 minus k. There are four different component vectors, which are position vectors of A, B, C. Then we have to find the angle between AB and CD. Their vector is not mentioned. Here AB simply, AB and CD, making you to get some confusion whether it is vector or not. Let it be. It is not vector. A line AB, another line CD. What is the angle between them? We take AB bar and CD bar. Okay, now? I deduce something. Next will come. Okay, na? Given position vectors, PVs, position vectors of ABCD of A, comma B, comma C, comma D are wherever. What is wherever? Very clearly given in the question. I plus J plus K. One bar. What is one bar? 2i plus 5j. 2i plus 5j. What's it bar? It is 3 plus 2 minus 3, huh? Yeah. 3i plus 2j minus 3k. What is bar? The I minus 6 minus k. I minus 6j minus k. Okay, slowly answer. Very good concept. These are the four vectors of this clearly position vector of 4 points. First we find AB1 because we need to find the angle between AB and CD. So AB bar means it is a free vector. Okay, na? Free vector. Any free vector, every time you mind it well. At every time. It is a known concept, but we have to recollect in our mind itself. That is the practice in the class itself. While you are reading, while you are verifying, while you are writing exam, whenever a free vector means it is the difference of position vectors of terminal and initial. Here you see what is it is 2i plus 5j minus I plus j plus k. It is 2 minus I. 2i minus I is I. 5j minus j plus 4k minus k. Okay, na? That is AB1. Then the modulus of AB1, it is a leader. Why? Because I will tell you. It is root of 1 square plus 4 square minus 1 square. It is 1 plus 16 plus 1. it is root 18. That is root 9 into 2 means 3 root 2. Will you agree? Root 9 is 3 root 2. Similarly, CD bar. What is CD bar means? OD bar minus OC bar. OD bar is I minus 6j minus k minus of OC bar is 3i plus 2j minus 3k. I minus 3i minus 2i minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 it is j minus k plus it is 2k. Okay na? Is it okay na? You see, simply I will tell first. Here itself we can find these vectors AB bar and CD bar, AB and CD also. AB bar, CD bar are simply AB and CD. Those line segments are those vectors are collinear. We can easily here only we can tell. You see, here you take minus 2 as common. Is I plus 4j minus k. This is nothing but minus 2. Same is there. So everyone. Okay, Dada? Therefore, AB bar this is minus 1 by 2. CD bar. If any two vectors are equal, please try to understand. Any two vectors are equal with any coefficient, any multiple, any scalar multiplication. That means A bar is equal to 5B bar, 6A bar is equal to minus 7B bar, X bar is equal to 13 by 9 B bar by bar, like that. If any two different vectors are equal with a multiplication of any scalar, then they are collinear. Negative is there? Yes, okay. Okay, here is very clear. AB bar is minus 1 by 2. CD bar. Two vectors are equal. Diagram is, you see, suppose this is AB. It is of length 10 units here. AB, A to B direct. But it is CD. But the direction is from C to D, like this. Okay, na? C to D is there. Okay, na? Don't confuse. A to B is a vector. It is of length 10 units. So it is 5, it is 5. Now what is CD bar? CD bar is reverse to AB bar. CD bar length is 5 plus 10 plus 5, 20 by 2, 10. AB bar. It is reverse. Okay, now you tell me AB and AB bar, CD bar are collinear. Like that, correct. Okay, now is it clear? Why? Because two or more vectors are said to be called collinear means the lines of directions of those vectors lie on a line. That is the definition given. Okay, already we discussed. So here, of course, it is 180 degrees. ABCD is opposite direction. 180 degrees. 180 degrees or 0 degrees. They are parallel. Otherwise, they are collinear. Very clear. They are lying at the same line. Okay. So here we can stop. It is collinear also because and hence deduce. Now, the main thing is we have to find the angle. So CD bar with model as root of 4 plus 64 plus 4. How much na? 72 na? 60, 72. That is, I think, it is 9 into 8. It is 3 root 8. 3 into 2 into root 2. 80 means 4 2s. So it is 6 root 2. So modulus of CD bar is 6 root. It is double the length of AB bar. Yeah. Observe. Cos theta. Suppose theta is the angle between AB and CD. Okay, no? Cos theta A bar dot B bar by modulus of A bar modulus of B bar. Like that, AB bar dot CD bar by modulus of AB bar modulus of CD bar. What is modulus? AB bar is I plus 4j minus k dot of. It is minus 2i minus 8j. It is 2k. By it is 3 root 2 and it is 6 root 2. I dot I only. Dot product. I dot I. That is 1 into minus 4 into minus 8. Minus 1 into 2 by 18 root 2 into root 2. Real, I mean, this is a rational into rational, irrational into irrational. This is minus 2 minus 32 minus 2 by 18 into 2. How much? Minus 36 by 36 minus 1. Minus 1 is nothing but cos 180 degrees. So theta is equal to 180 degrees with flow. Okay, na? Like this, we can solve the problem. Okay, na? We find the angle as well as also proved they are collinear. Is it okay? Okay. Next. How much time is there? Two minutes is over. Is there? Okay.